And here, the date is May 13th. We're dealing with Jack and Diane here, and we have a problem. Diane had to retake her written driver's test after she crashed the new convertible she bought for Jack. She bought, I guess that says that there. She guessed randomly on each of the 5 true-false questions. We don't know why she guessed randomly. We'll ask her when she comes in later this year. After she got home, she calculated her chances of passing, which would be 3 out of 5. Her calculations below, her probability of getting a 0 is 0.031 or 3.1%. Her probability of getting a 1 is 15.6%, and so on and so forth. We calculated that her chance of passing would be 50%, 0.313, which is a 3 out of 5, plus 0.156, which is a 4 out of 5, and a 0.031, which is 5 out of 5. Most of our kids actually said the probability of her passing would be 31.3%, and they were wrong, because they forgot to take into consideration she possibly could get a 4 and she could possibly get a 5. Our next question that we have not solved yet, and someone is going to come up and solve, what is Diane's probability of getting fewer than 2 correct? Using the chart that we don't quite know how we made, because it was just given to us in the book, but Andrew's going to tell us on Monday. Someone come up and show their work on what the probability is of Diane scoring fewer than 2 corrects. Connor, it is all you, big fella. Please speak loudly.
Okay, so since you're trying to get less than 2, so then it can't be a 5, it can't be a 4, it can't be a 3, and it can't be a 2. So it has to be either a 0 or a 1. So you take 0.031, and then you add 0.156. You get 0.187, which is the same as 18.7%.
Sweet. And we talked about all of our, good job, Connor. We talked about all of our decimals adding up to 1 whole. We're dealing with probability, which they do on our chart. And we also talked about the fact that we should answer our questions based out of 1 whole when dealing with decimals, or based out of 100 when dealing with percents. I'm also stuck.